Hey guys, Duncan73 here, and welcome to my very first unboxing video here on my YouTube channel. This is also the first video you get to see with my hands. Woo! Today we have the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. Here it is. The camera I'm using doesn't really focus that well. As well as a silicone case for it. Let's start off with the case, shall we? But first I might as well show you the phone that I'm upgrading from. I'm upgrading from this. Whoops. This is the Apple iPhone XS. The iPhone XS. It's a pretty nice phone, but as you can see, if we can zoom in here, I damaged this corner display bit here, so now it... Yeah, this is a screen protector, which is why there's all the cracks. But if we were to take off the case, which by the way, the bottom of the case came off. I'm sorry that the camera's not focusing. Come on, focus. There, if I take off the case, then you'll see I have a reasonable excuse on why I'm upgrading. I won't go into too much detail on how I broke the phone, but maybe this is a reasonable excuse. Yeah, this thing got cracked. Damn it, camera. And there's a little photo of my dog. Puppy. So yeah, I think I have a reasonable excuse on why I'm upgrading. So, first let's open the case. If I can grab the seal. There's the little magnets, nice. This phone is very, very big. I might zoom out a little. Now you can see a bit of my mat that I'm using. It's one of those Razer rainbow mat things. Mouse pads. Alrighty, there's the case. And looks like we've got some instructions on how to put it in. Now, for the big moment, the phone. I want you guys to enjoy this. Ready? There it is. Look at you. Oh, yes. Look at this. I'm gonna quickly just put that down on the side. So you get a charging cable, and we also get like a SIM eject tool and stuff like that, which won't really be needing. I might need the tool, but now let's unwrap this phone. And boot it up. Well, if it still has charge. Oh, it does. You can see the camera. Oh, you can see my face. But just look how beautiful this is. This is the Pacific Blue. Oh, that camera. Fresh out of the box. Hello. English. Let me select my region. I don't want it to be exposed yet, so... Setting language. Quick start. All we gotta do is just grab the two phones. Continue. Hopefully the camera doesn't pick up my details. Oh. Sorry that's blurry. I'll focus on the 12. Oh, enter my code. Oh, I am gonna run out of storage on my SD card, so I'll have to return. So it will activate, and I'll come back for when it's all ready, so be right back. Okay, we are back. Let me gently pick up my phone. Face ID, I will do this. Face ID. Alrighty, we will continue. iPhone. I agree. Agree. Continue. I did have an Apple Watch, but we're gonna have to set that up later, because the watch broke. Not now. Don't share. Download and install the update. I agree. I need a SIM eject tool. Already I have another iPhone box. Not my iPhone, my mum's. Ta-da! SIM eject tool. Can we just also just admire how beautiful the 12 Pro really is? Like, it's such a nice phone. Like, wow. It's definitely big though. Definitely. What we might do is we might actually do the SIM ejection process now. So first, the 12. Oh, I don't see the 5G antenna. That was meant to be on the side. Ready, let's... Come on. Focus. Whatever, kind of focus. Bloody hell, this thing's already getting fingerprints. Hold on, I'm gonna just... Got it. Alright, it's got a minute remaining on that. Right. For the 10S, it's right here. Come on. SIM card. Pop it out. Put it down. Pick up the 12. I might need a little more ejection. Whoops. How do you... Okay, sorry, my camera cut out storage. I did the SD card swap, but now what I want to do is I actually want to put the case on this phone. So to make sure I'm ready. So you're apparently meant to just simply slide it in. And put it on, there we go. Feels nice. I will be putting a screen protector on, so, you know, it's protected. Damn, look at that camera system. I'm going to love using this. Who knows what the 13 will offer? It'll definitely be better than, like, I'm just mostly happy I get to escape the curse of my broken 10S with the degraded battery. But otherwise, this has been the unboxing and I suppose setup as well of my new phone. Oh. Don't know how that happened. I don't know. Yes. Alrighty, we'll be back when it's finished, and I might just, well, close up the box. And there's the seal, which I think would look. Just put that in. No, you stay on 12. I'm just gonna pack up all the boxes and everything. This was the seal for the case. Might as well just put that back in. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I'll see you when everything's ready. Okay, so as you can see by that time and date, it's been around 6 days. Well, not 6, almost 6 though, but the time currently is AM, and I never really did an update video on the phone. Alrighty, so here's the phone with the case and I also changed the wallpaper. If I quickly unlock it and make sure I don't show where I live, that's not really going to be doable, but hold up. While it's hard to see and I have to cover out my city, you can see that I switched it to the wallpaper that was on the box. Time again. The case, camera, it's all the same. Here's a Nintendo Switch Joy-Con, which doesn't need to be there. Basically, here it is. Here it is. Still the same phone. Please ignore my creaking chair. I will love using this for as long as I have it. So, yeah, all I have to say is thanks for watching my very first unboxing video, and I will see you next time. Bye!